In this video, I've got an update for you on my affiliate marketing website, wheelalong.co.uk, which was a site I created around 7 months ago. Wow, doesn't time fly? Yeah, about 7 months ago, I did a tutorial on how I built the site, and since then I've been documenting exactly how well the site's been performing in terms of traffic and revenue and all that kind of stuff. If you've missed any of those videos, you can find them all in a YouTube playlist. I'll put a link up there right now. You can click that, go check that out. But in this video, I'm basically going to tell you what happened in January. I'm going to share with you the latest traffic numbers and the latest earnings, and also share with you my excitement, but then despair when we got an order for a certain something. All will be revealed in this video. Let's go. Hello, it's Alex here. Hope you're all well. So let's jump straight into the figures, shall we? Let's take a look at analytics. I'll put them up now. So as I said, the site is about 7 months old. So it's at this point that I'd expect stuff to start to happen on the traffic front. Because if there is a Google sandbox, it should be over by now. And yeah, the site's been out there for over 6 months. So you'd hope the traffic was on the up. And if we look at analytics, you can see that it is up. It's up 2%, which is not very exciting really. But hey, at least it's not down. But if we drill down into the traffic, we can see that organic traffic, which is, probably the most important traffic source to the site, that is up 14%. And in fact, direct traffic, which is traffic that's probably come from YouTube. People have seen videos like this one you're watching right now, and then they've typed in Wheel Along to go and check it out. That's on the decline. So I'm not too worried about that. I haven't done too many videos about the site. That could be a reason. As long as the organic traffic's going up, I'm happy. Speaking of organic traffic, if you have been watching my videos around Wheel Along, you'll know that I've had Stan Ventures, one of my favourite SEO companies, build some links to the site. And in fact, I did a full video on this just last week. I'll put a link again up there. You can go check that out. But basically what they've been doing is building some links to my Powered Wheelbarrow article. And yeah, it seems to be working pretty well. That article is now ranking on the first page of Google. As I said, if you want all the details on that, do go check out that video. Let's take a look at the earnings, shall we? Let's start with Amazon. I'll put them up now. And we're up on last month. Pulled in a fantastic £20.35 on Amazon.co.uk, which off the top of my head is around $26, $27, something like that, 27 US dollars. But obviously, exchange rates, they change all the time. Let's take a look at AdSense. So the site is still on AdSense. I haven't switched to Ezoic just yet. But yeah, the total in January from AdSense is £4.42. So if we add those two together, we get a grand total for January of £24.77. So that's up £12 on last month. We're heading in the right direction. Not really much else to share, but adding some more content. 7 more posts added in January. I'm going to slow down the content a little bit. If you remember when I started the site, I didn't want to spend too much money on content. So we'll see how we get on in February. I might add, 1 or 2 articles, but I'm not really going to push it. I just want the site to kind of bed in now and start making a bit of money. Talking about making money, I got very excited in the middle of January when a sale was registered through the Amazon Associates account for Wheel Along. And it was from the article that Stan Ventures are working on, the one I just mentioned, because they're building links to the Powered Wheelbarrows article. And basically, yeah, we had a sale in Amazon for a powered wheelbarrow. I'll put it up now. I got very excited. I posted it in the Facebook group and everything. And yeah, the wheelbarrow on Amazon, they sell for £840. So it was all very exciting. Thought, wow, we're going to earn a reasonable commission here. And, it's going to pay back on the Stan Ventures efforts in terms of building links to that article all around the powered wheelbarrows. But after a couple of days, it disappeared from my Amazon Associates account, so I guess they cancelled their order before it had even been shipped. So yeah, it was up and down that week. But hey, I'm sure we're going to sell another powered wheelbarrow. That site, in fact, that article, I should say, is getting reasonable traffic now. So yeah, it's only a matter of time on that. But yeah, that's it for this month's update, or the update on January, I should say. Sorry it's a little bit late. I do normally try and do them at the beginning of the month, but February seems to be slipping away from me. After January was so slow, February is like, whew. But hey, that's just time for you, isn't it? Funny old thing. Anyway, I'd love to know how your sites are getting on. Do let me know in the comments. I do read all the comments that I get, and I'll try and reply to as many as I possibly can. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button. It really helps me out. And yeah, one last thing before I go. I have recently, I say recently, just the other week, uploaded a new tutorial for a brand new site. Do go check it out. I'll put a link in the description. Until next time, good luck with your sites. Bye for now.